Students, today we shall discuss the seventh question in the exercise. That is, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Evaluate this. The value of this one you have to find. So cot theta they have given here. Now let us take one right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is ABC, and this I will take this as theta. Now cot theta is equal to, according to the diagram, cot theta is nothing but what? Adjacent divided by opposite. For theta, adjacent is AB, opposite is BC. That is AB divided by BC. Now, so cot theta value they have given, that is 7 divided by 8. Now AB is nothing but what? AB is 7k I can take. AB is 7k. Now BC I can take as 8k. Now I have to find AC by applying Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this is equals to, now AB square value is how much? 7 square, that is 49k square, plus BC square. BC value is how much? 8 square, 64k square. Okay. Now this is equals to 49 plus 64, that is 113k square it is. So this is what? AC square. Now I want the value of AC. Now AC is equals to root of 113k. So this is what? AC. So this is root of 113k. Now I have to find this. I have to find this value. Let us take that 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here cos theta and sin theta terms are required. First I will write sin theta value. How much will be the sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but what? According to the diagram, BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. This is equals to, BC is nothing but what? 8k divided by AC is root 113k. K get cancelled. 8 divided by root of 113. Okay. Next another one is cos theta required. Now cos theta is equals to, now cos theta is nothing but what? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. This is equals to, AB value is how much? 7k divided by root of 113k. So k get cancelled. 7 divided by root of 113. Now let us substitute these two values here. Now this is equals to 1 plus, so sin theta value is there. So sin theta is nothing but how much? 8 divided by root of 113 into 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta value is 8 divided by root of 113 whole divided by, I put equal sign here, 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta value is 7 divided by root of 113 into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 7 divided by root of 113. Now this is equals to, now here LCM is root of 113. Here LCM is root of 113. Now this will become root of 113 plus 8 divided by root of 113. Here also LCM is root of 113. So root of 113 minus 8 divided by, here also, now root of 113 plus 7 divided by root of 113. Now here root of 113 minus 7 divided by root of 113. Now root of 113 get cancelled. Now remaining. So remaining is what? That is equals to, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. That I can write as root of 113 square minus 8 square divided by Now here also a plus b into a minus b. Again a square minus b square, that is root of 113 square minus 7 square. This is equals to root of 113 square, that is 113 minus 8 square is 64 divided by root of 113 square, that is 113 minus 49. Now this is equals to, so this is how much? 36, 39, 49. So 113 minus 64. Am I right? 36, 39 plus 10, 49. Here also. Now here how much it is? 49, 50, 63, 64 it is. 64. Okay. So 49 divided by 64. So this is the first value. Then second one they said. Second one is what? Cot square theta. Cot square theta. This cot square theta can be written as cot theta whole square. Okay. So anywhere, if sin square theta is there, this I can write as sin theta whole square. Sin theta whole square. But it cannot be sin theta square. This is different. Sin theta square is different, and these two are same. Sin square theta, sin theta whole square, both are same. But here sin theta square, this square is only for theta. Okay, not for whole function. Now this is equals to into cot theta whole square. Cot theta value is already given, that is 7 by 8 whole square. 7 divided by 8 whole square. Now this is equals to 7 square, it is 49, 8 square is 64. Okay, this is how we can get it. Next question, 8th one. If 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Whether these two are equal or not, you have to check by taking this condition. So 3 cot A, let us take the given condition. 3 cot A, this is solution now. 3 cot A is equals to 4. Now cot A can be written as 4 divided by 3. 4 by 3. Now let us take one right angle triangle. Right angle triangle A, B, C. Now they are given A, angle A, not theta. So this is angle A, this is 90 degree. Now cot A is equals to, cot is nothing but what? Adjacent divided by opposite. For the angle A, adjacent is AB, opposite is BC. That is AB divided by BC. Now this is equals to AB value. AB, that is so sorry. Ratio is 4 divided by 3. Now AB can be written as AB is equals to what? 4K. BC is equals to, I can write as 3K. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now this is equals to AB square, that is 4 square, that is 16K square plus BC square. BC value 3K square, it is 9K square. Now 16 plus 9, that is 25K square. It is AC square only. But I want AC. Now AC is equals to 525, that is 5K. AC value is 5K, I am getting 5K. Now here I want tan A and cos A and sin A. I need them. So let us write one by one. Now first I'll write tan A. Tan A is equals to, tan A is nothing but what? Opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is BC divided by AB. Now directly I can write 3 divided by 4. 3K divided by 4K. KK get cancelled, 3 by 4. Now tan A over. Next cos A I want. Cos A is equals to, cos is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Now here AB value is 4K divided by AC value is 5K. KK get cancelled, 4 divided by 5. 4 by 5. Now another one, sin A. Sin A is equals to, sin is nothing but what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. BC divided by AC, that is equal to, BC value is 3K divided by AC value is 5k. K get cancelled. 3 divided by 5 I am getting. Okay, 3 by 5. Now, so let us take LHS first. LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. That is equal to, let us substitute the values. 1 minus, otherwise can I write like this also? 1 minus tan A whole square, both are same as I said you. This is 1 plus tan A whole square, that is tan A whole square. This is equals to, substitute the values, 1 minus tan A square, so that is 3 divided by 4 square divided by 1 plus tan A whole square, that is 3 divided by 4 square. Okay, now this is equals to 1 minus 3 square, it is 9 divided by 4 square 16 whole divided by 1 plus 3 square 9 divided by 16. So now that is equals to, here is the LCM 16, here also LCM will be 16, both 16 will get cancelled. Now 16 minus 9, after taking LCM, 16 minus 9, that is 7 divided by 7 divided by, here also 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9, that is 25. Now here I am getting LHS as 7 divided by 25. Now go for RHS. RHS is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now this can be done as cos A minus sin A whole square. Sorry, cos A square minus sin A square. I cannot write a whole square, okay? Cos A square minus sin A square. Now this is equals to, cos A value already known it, that is 4 divided by 5 square minus sin A value is 3 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5 square. Now 4 square 16 minus 5 square, it is 25 minus 3 square 9 divided by 25. Here LCM is 25. 16 minus 9, that is 7. So RHS I am getting as 7 by 25 and LHS is also 7 divided by 25. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, whether these two are equal or not, decide. Okay, both are equal. If I written LHS equal to RHS, it says that these two are equal. If I written not equal, then they are not equal.